Hello and welcome. If the fingerprint sensor on your Samsung phone stopped working after replacing the screen, don't panic just yet. This is actually a common issue, and in many cases, you can fix it yourself. In this video, I'll show you what to check before assuming there's a hardware problem. First, make sure the replacement screen supports the fingerprint sensor. Many low-cost or non-original displays are not fully compatible with Samsung's optical or ultrasonic fingerprint readers. If you had the screen replaced at a repair shop, it's worth asking whether they installed a fingerprint-compatible display. Next, open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, then tap Fingerprints. If your old fingerprints are still saved, delete them all and register your fingerprints again. After a screen replacement, the phone may no longer recognize fingerprints that were scanned using the previous display. When registering a new fingerprint, make sure your finger is clean and dry. Also, wipe the screen to remove any dust, fingerprints, or grease. If you are using a screen protector or tempered glass, try removing it temporarily and test the fingerprint sensor again. Some screen protectors can reduce the sensor's accuracy or even prevent it from working altogether. The next thing to check is your software. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and see if there's a new update available. Samsung occasionally releases updates that improve fingerprint sensor performance and fix compatibility issues after repairs or system updates. If you've tried everything so far and the fingerprint sensor still doesn't work, restart your phone. It may sound simple, but a reboot can sometimes restore normal functionality after hardware changes or software glitches. If the problem started immediately after the screen replacement and nothing you've tried has worked, the issue is most likely related to the new display or the installation itself. The replacement screen may not fully support the fingerprint sensor, the internal cable could be loose, or the phone may not have been reassembled correctly. In that case, it's best to return to the repair shop and ask them to inspect the installation. If this video helped you understand why your Samsung fingerprint sensor isn't working after a screen replacement, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if one of these solutions worked for you, let everyone know in the comments. It could help someone else fix the same problem much faster. Thanks for watching.